Self-doubt, it's a killer. We've all been there, questioning our abilities, wondering if we're good enough. It's a constant battle, and it can be exhausting. But the truth is, self-doubt is just a thought, and it's a thought that can hold us back from achieving our goals. Fear of failure is another one. It's natural to feel scared when stepping out of our comfort zones. But if we let that fear take over, we'll never take the leap. I think many of us can relate to feeling stuck in a rut and not knowing how to get out of it. We feel like we're moving backwards, and that negative thoughts are holding us back from moving forward. But here's the thing, those negative thoughts don't have to define us. We have the power to change them, to flip them on their head, and use them as a driving force for success. We've all heard the phrase, your thoughts become your reality, and it's true. If we think we're not good enough, then we'll start to believe it. But if we think we can do something, then we'll start to believe that too. It's all about perspective, and it's all about choice. So the question is, what are you choosing to believe about yourself? Let's talk about some effective techniques for reframing those negative thoughts. One of my favorites is cognitive restructuring. It's all about identifying those negative thoughts and replacing them with more positive, realistic ones. For example, instead of saying, I'll never be able to do this, we can say, I'll learn and grow from this experience. It's all about flipping that negative script. Mindfulness practices are also super powerful. When we're mindful, we're present in the moment, and we're not worrying about the past or future. We're not letting those negative thoughts take over. It's about being aware of our thoughts and emotions, and making a conscious choice to focus on the positive. Setting realistic goals is also key. When we set goals that are achievable, we start to build confidence and momentum. We start to believe in ourselves, and that's when the magic happens. We start to see that we're capable of more than we thought, and that's when those negative thoughts start to fade away. Remember, anyone can turn their negative thoughts into a pathway for success. It's all about making a conscious choice to focus on the positive, to believe in yourself, and to take action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on building a positive mindset. See you in the next video.